Hello everyone, let's assume I have a video file that is in Vietnamese. I want to convert its audio into English. So how can we do that? First, you need to visit a website called Turtle Drive. This website is free. You can upload your files there. I'm going to upload my video now. Each day, you can upload up to 3 files. Each file is limited to 30 minutes. So make sure you take advantage of it. After waiting a bit, you'll get an SRT file. Right, then you can download the .srt file. You can open it up and check it here. Now you'll have an SRT file like this. In this case, the SRT file contains 157 lines. I'll paste it into ChatGPT. What should you ask it to do? You simply ask it to translate everything into English and fix any sentences that were cut off halfway. Then you just wait for it to finish translating. You'll notice that my video is 5 minutes and 14 seconds long. So after waiting around that amount of time, the translation will be done. Now I'll copy the translated text and paste it back into the SRT file, then save it. Next, you go to TTF for free. After logging in, you'll get 2,000 credits. Then you upload the file there. As you can see, it uses about 2,678 characters. Now I'll let it detect the language. And I'll choose an English voice. I'll try this voice for now. Then I click Start Conversion. It's processing the audio right now, so just wait a moment. In less than a minute, the file is ready. The audio is about 5 minutes long. Now I'll download it and merge it here. After downloading, I'll import it. Next, I'll import the file. Now I'll drag the SRT file in. This time, I'll use the English SRT file. I've imported the SRT file. My task now is to check whether the voice matches the subtitles correctly. I'll adjust the display to make it easier to see. I'll resize it so it looks clearer. Now let's test it. Let's see if it reads correctly. Hello everyone. Today I want to share a free desktop application with you. This app allows you to use up to 60,000 characters per hour. The text is processed in a queue and split into smaller parts. Each part contains about 2,000 characters. You see, it matches perfectly, right? Now my only task left is to fine-tune it so it looks nicer. I can drag and adjust it as needed. So that's the tool I wanted to share with you for converting SRT to speech. If you understand captions better than I do, you can refine it even further. Thank you for watching.